7:59 p.m. as per the Mahabharat actually, which I had got from the Panditji, because when I was traveling, I met a Panditji actually. So like he was like, Irshad, just stop. So I was like, Panditji, see, I'm already getting late, okay? Because Mama has called me so many times, right? And I'm already getting late. So she will not really leave me. Then she said, okay, Irshad, start at 7:59 p.m. It is the auspicious actually seconds and the time to start, and that's the reason we're starting now. So can you all give a huge round of applause for this event? Thank you.
Oh. So very good evening to one and all. We are honored and delighted for you all here together. As they say, goodbyes are always hard to say, right? Yes. So, goodbyes are always hard to say, and this is what all of us at HDFC IT department feels to bid a farewell for Mr. Vivek Joshi. A big round of applause for him. What do you think?
Yeah.
तालियों की आवाज बहुत कम आ रही है.
I think so.
बहुत कम है ना? विवेक जी आ रही है जोरों से.
Alright, so I
A big
think
round of applause for him.
Thank you. And as rightly said by my beautiful co-host Pooja Shah, okay, so as she started, because we all believe that women's come first. All right, so we officially, obviously, we welcome you to this farewell event of Mr. Vivek Joshi by the HDFC IT department right here at this auspicious day. All right, and now moving on ahead, the office was less like a workplace. Okay, so we have a few more people coming in. All right, please join us. Thank you so much. And the people who have just come in, I think, Pooja, they should come a little ahead. Don't you think so?
Yeah, that's the punishment. You should have to join us.
Yes.
All
Please
the
come
seats in
ahead.
the further. Yes.
Thank you.
Still many people to come
Please
on.
have a seat. Yes, I was saying that the office was less like a workplace, all because of Mr. Vivek Joshi's chirpy face. You understand that what I'm trying to tell you, right? Then the team functioned like a well-oiled machine, thanks to Mr. Vivek for being one of the most helpful colleagues. Bidding goodbye is hard, but let's make this one happy and memorable for our dear Mr. Vivek Joshi, who is retiring from the organization on a superannuation. Zoga Tania. But Pooja, I believe that each of us have a special memory with Mr. Joshi, who's left a mark not only in the organization as a whole, but in every colleague's work life, right?
Yes.
So it's time that I invite the first speakers. So I'm going to be calling ahead Mr. Zaveri to say a few words for Mr. Joshi. Please put up your hands for Mr. Zaveri. Thank you so much, sir. Yes. So you can come on the stage, please. Okay, thank you.
Good evening, guys. Good evening. Sadhu, you can hear me? Yes. Serious? I'll use a mic if I need. I don't know where to start. For me, either I can say it's a long journey. I've known Vivek since he joined in 99 or 2000. Or I can say the journey has been very short. Abhi 4 kadam hi kya chalega
Okay. So the official wording says that he is finally relieving today. But I'm sure the whole organization will miss him as a vacuum when he won't be around. Is it right? Yes, when you go tomorrow and then you see on the table he's not there. So he is reliving. But the organization is going to miss him badly.
But you know what, Pooja, we all say that, if the person is physically not around, but still his blessings are around with us, and that's what Mr. Vivek Joshi is actually going away from the, from the office, but his blessings, his presence is always going to be with us, right? Am I right? Yes. Okay. Now, you know what, we all say that if you want to actually see a person or know about himself, that you actually got to, meet his wife. Because how the wife is, alright, that entirely, that person is like that. Because we all say, right, that behind a successful person is always a lady. And I truly believe in it because it's my mom's. Without wasting any time, it's time to see this magnificent lady on the stage. Mrs. Joshi, please welcome. Come on, come on. Please come on the stage and share those few experiences with us. You know what, Pooja? Like when ma'am just came here, okay, and she was seated along, okay. This is something good happening. People rising up without even telling. क्या बात है? Please come, ma'am. It's an honor.
And some occasions, very experienced, would like to tell on the stage.
Sure. Before Mrs. Joshi actually starts, she was just seated in the beginning out here, and Mr. Vivek Joshi just came in here, and I told ma'am, you have to come up on the stage and you have to say. So Mr. Joshi was like, "Arey yaar, if you would have said to us before, then we would have prepared." But that is the time I said that the experiences, okay, and the remembrance, okay, what you have comes just out. So you don't need to prepare for that. So ma'am, please. Okay, thank you.
Firstly, before I start, I would like to thank all the honored members of this audience for inviting me here today and giving me this opportunity to say a few words. It's with great pleasure that I stand amongst you friends and all those who have worked with my husband to celebrate the conclusion of his glorious chapter and the beginning of an exciting new one. It's been 17 long years, but it still feels like it was just yesterday when my husband, Mr. Vivek Joshi, joined this prestigious organization as AVP. He worked for several organizations before, such as Digitron Computers, MBT, L&T Infotech, etc. But he has served HDFC Bank for the longest period of time. Looking at him today, retiring from a senior position after an illustrious career takes me back to a memory that is very close to my heart and one which played an important role in his journey in the bank. It was the year 2001 and he will change his job any